what are the main challenges, according to your own perspective, that today's leaders are facing in today's world?
Thank you. Thank you for having us here. Thank you for inviting me. Well, for me, there are two challenges that we as leaders face. The first one is leading in the unknown. In the unknown, we were raised to have clarity, to know the rules, to know the game we were playing. Now that has completely changed, and what is valid for today, it might not valid for next month. So we need to be used to uncertainty, to changes. And we become comfortable as humans and also as leaders. So for me, that is the first challenge that we will have. And the second is staying true to ourselves. We live in a society when something seems to be the mood, that mood is true. And being faithful to your own values, to the values of your company, to the vision of your company that may go against all odds, it is complicated. So being humble enough, but brave enough to fight for what you believe is your dream, your business, your value proposition, going against the majority, the wave, for me is also something that we need to keep in our leaders' mind, and being so strong on how we communicate it that we move others. A leader leaves a space so others follow, no?
Inspiring people nowadays has become very important, as you just mentioned, Mosiri, since we have a lot of people. We're more than 7,000 million people in this world, and we have to push all this world forward so that we can overcome all the challenges that we're going to go through in the next decade.